What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the K-Series Kyle YouTube channel, and today we are here at SK Customs Car Audio, and this car is getting a nice system. So far what we have is pretty much everything's torn apart. There's no radio, half of the dash is gone, no tweeters, back seats out. They're starting on the radio right now, and the whole center console's out. They got to start running wires through all of this, and that's pretty much what we have so far. I'm gonna keep giving you guys updates spontaneously through this build. So this car audio is going to be sick. If it gets finished today, which I believe it will, think we're going to Import Alliance tonight, so stay tuned for that in the video. Hopefully we'll be driving this bad boy all the way down, or all the way to Clayton County or wherever it is. But Import Alliance should be pretty cool. So as you guys can see, we have a large jumble of wires here. This guy's taping stuff for no reason at all. But yeah, we're in the boring process right now, just running wires, doing all that stuff. Well, they're in the boring process right now. I'm just watching the boring process. So I will get back with you on an update once we get everything together and running-ish. So as we can see now, this man right here, this car audio technician, has made zero progress whatsoever. There's absolutely no wires in here. He's just kind of sitting here and admiring this built Civic. Like, you can see these wires, but every single wire's stock, completely stock. See all that? That's just stock wiring, you know. It's actually not stock wiring though. I was just messing with you. Okay, he's got a lot of wiring in. Still admiring the built motor Civic. He really wants to drive it, but he can't do that. Oh, okay. SK Customs Car Audio. Oh yeah. But seriously, guys, if you live in Johns Creek, like Atlanta, anywhere in Atlanta pretty much, you gotta come to SK Car Audio. Mention my name. I'm really good friends with the guys here, and they do great work. This is where I've gotten all my audio systems done, and trust me, I've had like 3 or 4. Not a single problem with any of them besides, like, well, one of them was my fault that I blew it up, but shit happens. But yeah, come to SK Car Audio. They will do you right. Alright guys, so we got a progress update. That guy is angry. But we're gonna mount the amps to the windows. It should end up working out pretty nicely. They actually did some wiring for once. They're actually kind of working on it. It's going along smoothly. Not seeing any progress though for the subwoofers because they're just stupid. We don't need subwoofers. Actually, really here, they're actually making a lot of progress. Got all the wiring harness in. The amps are getting hooked up and mounted. Should be good to go soon. So guys, as of right now, we got the tweeters in. got the front tweeters in. Built some stuff on the back. I'll go back there in a second and show that to you. The amp, the 4-channel amp, is completely connected besides power. Then you just have to connect the mono amp and then put the subs in and then run power to the battery and put the radio in, and we'll be done. And the door speakers. That sounded like a lot of stuff. So as you can see in the back of the car, we have a SK Customs Car Audio custom fabricated tweeter and crossover holder thing, which is in the place of the old subwoofer. The new speakers going back here. Everything runs to this beautiful Alpine F6 amp, sponsored by SK Customs. I'm just kidding. And just like that, guys, she's all finished. That's right. There's a bunch of people in my car right now.